52. As another method. Lie down as if you're dead. And rack in wrath and stay so. Or stare without moving an eyelash. Or suck something and become the sucking. It's so funny. Oh, this you know. I don't understand. And racked in wrath. I don't understand why you should be angry like that. Huh? All right. I must be more enlightened to understand all these unenlightened things. Okay. What he means is whatever you do, try to be dead to the body, but enter the activity alone. Understand? 53. Without support for feet or hands, sit only on your buttocks. And suddenly, the centering. This is the translation. Without support for feet or hands, sit only on the buttocks. Suddenly, the centering. Wow. Wow. It's really mysterious. You see that? You see that?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Then we go to the next. Well, I'm glad you see that. I haven't seen anything. My God. This master is very funny. Well, I don't know what he destroyed, but at least he destroyed my intellect. Number 54. In an easy position, gradually pervade an area between the armpits into great feet. Oh, this is funny. Oh, this is funny. Oh, this I don't understand. You understand? Yeah, right? Okay, thank you very much. And the next one. Number 55. 55th. See as if for the first time a beautiful person or an ordinary object. Oh, I've seen it many times. What he means is concentrate. Everything here is about concentration. So, there is a practice in Lamaism, Tibet, about concentration. Like they would give you a picture of a deity or a devil-looking picture, a devil-looking like personage, and then they tell you to just stare at it and try to remember all the details. What his pen looks like, what his head looks like, what his fang looks like, and what his eyes look like. For example, every detail, and try to see everything. Even until the person takes the picture away, you still have a vivid impression of that picture. Perhaps that's what it is with looking at something like it's the first time. Try to concentrate. Whatever you look at it intensely, and don't waver your attention or look around back and forth and in and out, etc., etc. Perhaps that's what it means. Okay? Perhaps, I don't know. Who cares about all this? We practice Guanyin method. Simple. Our goal is very simple. Just to become a Buddha, right? Nothing more. We don't ask for much, do we? All right. Oh, this. Number 56. with mouth slightly open. Keep mind in the middle of the tongue. Or as breath comes silently in, feel the sound. Yeah, that's what it is. Feel the sound of breathing. That's what it is. Yeah? But here it says H. So now, so I don't think you should do this in public, do you? You open your mouth and put your mind on tongue. I think if you have any sense of intelligence, I don't think I need to advise you not to do it in the public, huh? And not to do this in the restaurant either. You must eat. And not to do that on a lecture platform, or you have to speak, okay? Otherwise, my God. I have never seen a person like that before. Oh yeah, I have seen some. Some of you. In the middle of the retreat, like this. Sometimes. I don't know what you're doing. Perhaps you already mastered this technique to perfection. What else? Yeah, now I know. You're reading all this behind my back, huh? And practice it behind my back as well, huh? Okay, I think we forget it, huh? What, huh? 58 until when? Oh, we're already halfway. Yeah. Halfway, huh? My God. Every day I keep turning the page. It looks like it never comes to an end. All right. It's nearly 9 o'clock. Take a deep breath. Feel the sound of and good night. All right. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. See you tomorrow if you're still here. Oh my God. Next time the boys sit behind there, make 3-4 rows, okay? And not just like this, like army camp. Yeah, make a little thicker or sit right here. Not 2 rows like this and behind there 4, 5, 6 rows. It's the same thing. Terrible. I don't know. No more, huh? Where's my umbrella? Have you seen it? Got it? No? Okay. You haven't seen my umbrella somewhere? Then I must have put it somewhere else. I put it somewhere else, right? And somebody else would have seen it, right? There's a person who asked a girl, "Oh, have I seen you somewhere before?" So the second person said, "No, I don't think so. I haven't seen you." So the first person asks, "Have you been to California lately?" And the other person say, "No, I have never been to California." Or the first person says, "Me neither." And he says, maybe somebody else has been in California and somebody else has seen that person there. Not the two of us. Okay, good night.